ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Good morning, elders, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Roshni Singh of class 9S, am going to conduct today's virtual assembly. The theme of today's virtual assembly is women empowerment, the most crucial and significant topic of discussion nowadays. I'll start my assembly by bowing my head in front of Almighty with these words. O God, provide us strength, grant us wisdom, knowledge, and sense to acknowledge for what is right and what is wrong. There is no limit for what as women we can do. Famous activist Malala has said, I want every girl to know that her voice can change the world. Respected elders, women empowerment is the need of the hour. First of all, my friend Sanjana of 11th Commerce A is here to tell us exactly what is women empowerment.
Good morning, everyone. Women's empowerment is basically giving power to women in a space of society where they didn't have it. It is the process of making them part of decision process in a certain area where they didn't have it. Women's empowerment is the process of empowering women. Empowerment includes the action of raising the status of women through education, raising awareness, literacy, and training. Now I would like to invite Geet Kartyal of class 12th AS to tell us the need of women's empowerment.
Good morning, everyone. It is a woman who plays a dominant role in the basic life of a child. Women are an important section of our society. Women empowerment is the fundamental right of women. They must be given equal right to participate in education, society, politics, and economics. Women empowerment is the necessity for the very development of society, country, and the entire world. Dear all, it is rightly said, our society can never be free without liberation of women. So, respect women and protect mankind. Thank you. Now I would like to call my friend Deeksha of class 12th S, and she will tell us about various ways by which we can fulfill our bright aspiration of women empowerment.
Hello everyone. Education and awareness are the best tools for empowering women. Women must be aware of their rights. Society must be aware not to impose orthodox ideas on them. Child marriage, domestic violence, honor killing, and many other evils are the obstacles in the way of strengthening women. Empower girls and women by providing them high-skilled education, training, counseling, medical care, small business loans, and many other programs. Above all, try to compliment a woman on something other than her looks. A woman likes to be told she is pretty and beautiful, but more than she loves to hear, she is brilliant, kind, dedicated, and strong. Thank you very much.
टूटती है, बिखरती है, खुद को समेटती है, अपने कल से लड़ती है, अपना आज संवारती है, अपने अस्तित्व की तलाश में तू निरंतर चलती रहती है. तू माँ है, बहन है, पत्नी है, बुआ है, मौसी है, भाभी है. तू हर एक रिश्ते को अच्छे से निभाती है, फिर भी संघर्ष करती है, स्वयं की तलाश में निकल जाती है. नारी तेरी यही कहानी है, अब अपनी एक नई पहचान तुझे बनानी है. अब मैं 12th AS की प्रियंका डागर को निमंत्रित करूंगी.
सुप्रभात. नारी की महानता बताते हुए कुछ दोहे. नारी का सम्मान ही पुरुषता की आन, नारी की अवहेलना नारी का अपमान. माँ बेटी पत्नी बहन नारी रूप हजार, नारी से रिश्ते सजे नारी से परिवार. नारी बीज उगात है नारी धरती रूप, नारी जग सर्जित करे धर धर रूप अनूप. नारी जीवन से भरी नारी वृक्ष समान, जीवन का पालन करे नारी है भगवान. नारी में जो निहित है नारी शुद्ध विवेक, नारी मन निर्मल करे हर लेती है विवेक. धन्यवाद.
Women are soft, but they are strong. They are full with kindness, but if time comes, they can face all difficulties with their inner strength. Let's salute them. with a mesmerizing dance performance. I invite gorgeous Hans sister to present a dance performance depicting how strong women are.
आज से आपसे आन मेरी मैं तुमको नाचने दूंगी जान को चाहे चलनी कर दो मान को नाचने दूंगी आज से आपसे आन मेरी मैं तुमको नाचने दूंगी जान को चाहे चलनी कर दो मान को नाचने दूंगी छूके देखो दिल मेरा तुम्हें दिल में अपने बदलूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तो मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मर्दों वाली बात कह के मुझे ढेर समझ के बेचोगे उन बाजारों में तेरी मैं नस्लों को मिटा दूंगी जिस दुनिया में माँ बहने रिश्ते नहीं है गाली है उस दुनिया से मर्यादा के रिश्ते सारे तोड़ूंगी सनम मिला के देखो तो मैं साथ में तेरे चल दूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी
Good morning everyone. I am Mang of class 11th S. I am here to tell a few lines in front of you. I want to dedicate these lines to all the honorable women of the world. I want to tell to all the women of the world that I have called them pretty before I have called them intelligent or brave. I am sorry. I made it sound as though something as simple as what you are born with is the most you have to be proud of. When your spirit has crushed mountains, from now on, I will say things like, you are resilient or you are extraordinary. Not because I don't think you are pretty, but because you are so much more than that. Thank you. Now, I would like to call Honorable Anju Mehta ma'am to inspire us with her motivational words.
Good morning, everyone. I have a question for you. What's the greatest lesson a woman should learn? According to me, since day one, she already had everything she needs within herself. It's the whole world which convinced her she didn't. So remember, women empowerment does not come from law. It comes from thought. Be yourself, accept yourself, trust yourself, and value yourself, empower yourself. नारी सशक्तिकरण हमेशा जागृत रहे. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, respected Anju Mehta ma'am. I end my assembly with these words. Women are the great creation of Lord. They gave us lot of love, care and complete our life. If there were no women, no one can imagine our life even. Thank you and have a nice day.